Hey, today I'll show you how to add shadow to text in Camtasia Studio. Let's add some text to our timeline, and this shadow to text which you are looking for will help the text to be more readable on a bright surface, and you have to click on it. Notice on the timeline that it's selected. Now right click on it, and this effect which you are looking for is called drop shadow. Okay, so go to add visual effects, and here you'll find drop shadow. You can notice we have now some drop shadow on text, but let's make it even better. Okay, so let's center the drop shadow. Let's zoom in just a tiny bit. Okay, I'll just center the drop shadow, increase the opacity all the way to the maximum, and the blur you can decrease it. I'll decrease it to 1 or maybe 2, and now you can have some drop shadow to the text, and it's much readable. If you want to find this effect, click on the text, press on this pointing up arrow, and here you'll find the drop shadow. If you want to delete it, all you have to do is press on delete. So this was the tutorial how to add shadow to text in Camtasia Studio. I hope it helped, and I hope you have a great day.